Ladies are getting plenty to be excited about as Jordan Brand continues to expand its women-focused releases this year. One of the latest highlights is a women-exclusive Air Jordan 1 Mid designed with a refreshing seasonal palette made for warm weather. The sneaker starts with a smooth white leather base that keeps the look clean and versatile for everyday wear. Soft gray leather overlays with a subtle blue tint wrap the upper and help cool down the overall aesthetic. Adding another layer of contrast, the swoosh arrives in icy blue suede, giving the pair a premium touch without feeling loud. Underfoot, the design stays true to its cool theme with a crisp white midsole paired with a semi-translucent jelly outsole that shows off a light iridescent finish. The result is a balanced and stylish Air Jordan 1 Mid that blends comfort, modern color blocking, and summer-ready energy, making it an easy pickup for collectors and casual wearers alike. This release continues the legacy with fresh appeal.